Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus Problem series, we will solve the integral of square root of sine x multiplied by cosine x dx. When the integrand contains a function multiplied by the derivative of that function, we can use substitution. And here we have a function, square root of sine x. And derivative of sine x is cosine x, and we have here cosine x times dx. This means that we can use here substitution method. And while solving this integral, let's say the integral is square root of sine x multiplied by cosine x dx. We will say that sine x is equal to u, and take the derivative of both sides. Cosine x times dx will be equal to du. Then in the integral we will say u, and cosine x dx will be du here, and the integral becomes square root of u times du. In order to take the integral here, we will say that square root of u will be is u to the power of 1 over 2 times du. In order to take the integral, we add 1 to the exponent, 1 over 2 plus 1. The exponent becomes 3 over 2, and we will divide by the new exponent, 3 over 2. And this is now 2 over 3 times u to the power of 3 over 2. And since u is sine x, this will be equal to 2 over 3 times sine to the power of 3 over 2x. Or we can write it as 2 times square root of sine cube x over 3. And since this integral is an indefinite integral, we will add a constant c, and the answer becomes this. In the next lecture of this series, we will solve this problem. 1 over cube root of sine square of x times cosine x dx. See you in the next video.